Hello. Wow, it's been quite a while. In fact, it's been about a year since you've last heard from me, and I wonder, do you wonder where I've been? Well, let's talk about it in a little candid conversation with you and me. So, yeah, I have still been around, just not active. The purpose for that is life happens. I've got two kids, as you already know if you've been following my channel for a while, but the number one thing that's really been very busy is music. Music has been a pretty big thing in my life right now. So I play at my church. I also have my own personal music that I work on. And so it's taken a bigger role in the everyday life. And so that takes time away from making videos. On top of it, quite honestly, dealing with a little bit of burnout. You know, after doing it for about 9 years, you do develop a little bit of burnout, not knowing what you want to do anymore. And sometimes the projects in the house, they're not all that interesting to record. I've always been about DIY, and I love DIY, and those are some of my most popular videos. But as the future is unfolding, I'm feeling a drive to go a different direction. So when I go on YouTube and I go to look at videos that I just want to watch, I tend to watch things that I'm not really looking for. You just kind of enjoy and you just veg is what we call it. And so I want to make videos that I feel like I would just want to sit and watch. That means that a lot of these videos that I'm creating right now are going to be more entertainment based, and so you'll be able to just sit back, relax, and enjoy it. There's no explaining of what am I doing. So I am in a project right now that I have a lot of passion behind, and it's really exciting, and I'm just tickled pink about it. It's even got some electronics into it, and electronics has always been something I've dabbled in as well. So I'm excited to share that with you. I have another project that has been on the back burner for years that I'm really trying to do, and that's building a guitar. I've always wanted to make an electric guitar. I have the wood sitting behind this wall, just sitting there waiting for me to use it. And so that is something that I want to do. On to something very obvious. Do you like the new setup? The space looks a little different. I went ahead and changed the look of the shop a little bit and then redesigned some of the wood. But I'm sure you've noticed the biggest one of all is the logo. So, anytime you do a little bit of a reboot, sometimes it feels good to just freshen things up. And so since it's been a year changing the direction of what I'm kind of doing and drawing more attention to, I just thought it was fitting to redesign the logo, keep the same spirit, keep the same vibe, but just make it look a little cleaner, more modern. I'm looking forward to sharing with you this new venue of these entertainment-based, kind of enjoyable, just sit back, watch, relax videos. I'm still mixing in some DIY here and there because that's just what I like to do, and so you'll still see some of those as well. But I want to thank you for hanging out with me for the last year of really me not being here. And so thank you for hanging in there. Thank you for watching the videos. If you're new to the channel, just buckle in. It's going to be a really exciting ride. And if you've been a long time follower, same thing. Just wait it out. Got some cool videos coming. I'm excited to share with you. So thank you for watching this one. I'll see you next time in the workshop. God bless and have a great